I'm going to show you how to build a playable browser game, even if you've never coded before. Open whatever AI tool you like. Type this prompt. Think of the AI as your junior developer. You describe the idea, it builds the game, and you decide what changes. You're not coding yet, you're just answering questions like a game designer. When the code appears, copy all of it. Open Notepad, paste the code in. Click Save As. Change the file type to All Files. Name the file index.html, all lowercase. Now drag the index.html file, not the Notepad window, the file itself, straight into a browser tab. It just works. This is your feedback loop. Ready to ship it? Create a new public repository on GitHub. Inside the repo, create a file named index.html, lowercase, spelled exactly right. Paste your code and commit it. Go to Settings, then Pages. Set the branch to main and save. That's it. About a minute later, you've got a real live URL. That's a real website. Anyone can open it. Thanks for watching.